nagpapasalamat sa lahat ng mga naging bahagi ng pagkakatayo nito. Actually, kailangan po ito ng aming school dahil sa dami ng aming estudyante. Dati po, meron lang kami isang maliit na library at ngayon po sa pagkakaloob ng 101 Heroes ng library nito, naging 2 na. At siguradong ito ay magiging pakipakinabang sa mga estudyante dahil meron naman silang panibagong silid-aklata na pupuntahan sa free time nila upang makagawa ng kanilang assignments, makapag-research sila at higit sa lahat para madagdagan ng kanilang kaalaman.
Sa ngalan po ng San Miguel National High School ay taos-puso po kaming nagpapaabot ng walang hanggang pagpapasalamat sa Saba family at sa 101 Heroes. Sana po magtuloy-tuloy pa ang inyong pagbibigay ng blessings sa mga nangangailangan, lalo na sa ating mga mag-aaral.
Hello, welcome to the Saba Library. Today was the inauguration. It's June 24, 2025. We had the honor of 101heroes.org, the Santiago family. Gave us the honor to name it after my mom and dad, Nora and Purito Saba.
Thank you po sa Saba family at sa 101 Heroes sa gay po na ganitong pagkakataon na to na magkaroon po yung mga bata ng isang library para po mas makatulong po sa pag-aaral nila.
This library will help students to improve our vocabulary and about anything else, like it can help us do some research and a lot of things that we can't do before.
We are so happy to be able to contribute and help the school have this wonderful library now as a learning center. So for all the students of San Miguel National High School, we're all rooting for you and we look forward to the future. Remember, you as the student body, you are the future of the Philippines, and so make us proud.
I would like to thank the Saba family and the 101 Heroes Foundation for building this library. This library will be a help to us students, especially for research and a lot more.
Thank you, 101 Heroes and Saba family!
So today is a very joyous event and very meaningful to us because it's right before the week of my mother's 97th birthday, and too bad my father couldn't be here. He's not alive anymore, but he would have been very pleased, and because my parents were definitely advocates of education.
Naniniwala po ako na malaking tulong ang Saba Library na ito, lalong-lalo na sa mga mag-aaral dahil sa tingin ko mas mai-enhance yung kanilang mga skills, talent, lalo na din sa academic.
Please accept our heartfelt gratitude to the 101 Heroes Foundation and to the Saba family for having this very big blessing, not only for the San Miguel National High School, but for the entire schools division of Bulacan. And rest assured that we will take care of all these blessings and we will pass it on to the next batches of our learners from San Miguel National High School.
Maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat.
Thank you po.
Thank you and God bless.
Thank you, Saba family and 101 Heroes! Thank you, Saba family!